Do you know what Newfoundland's favorite candy flavor is? Let's find out in today's history, review, and autopsy of bullseyes. If you don't frequent the far eastern reaches of Canada, these are hard nuggets of sugar and molasses. The company that makes these is Purity Factories in St. John's, Newfoundland. They started in 1924 selling soft drinks and various old-timey candies only the 1920s could love, like peppermint knobs and spearmint lumps, which you should self-check for regularly. These bullseyes, like I said, are made of molasses, which is big in Newfoundland. This is because in the 18th century, when Britain was doing business in Jamaica, ships coming up from the Caribbean would stop in Newfoundland as a last supply stop before crossing the Atlantic to England. The goods these ships would leave behind were the spoils they were plundering, businessing from the Caribbean: sugar, rum, and molasses. As a result, molasses became a big part of the Newfoundland cooking, being used in everything from bread to being used as a condiment, which probably tastes great when you're constantly drunk on rum like every single person in Newfoundland. My review? Boy, oh boy, I hate to be harsh on something so unique, but here goes. Pretty gross. Although leaps and bounds better than what I was expecting from a candy made out of molasses, something I am not a fan of. The texture is akin to brittle and the flavor is weirdly minty. So if that ticks your boxes and you can get your hands on these, go for it. But my rating is 0.5 out of 5 cavities. What would you rate these out of 5 cavities? Let me know in the comments. To hear more candy reviews, subscribe to our candy review podcast, Candy is Dandy, right here on our channel or anywhere you get your podcasts.